Do you know the processing capacity of the tube laser cutting machine you bought? What length, size, weight and thickness of the tube can be processed? First of all, the effective stroke of the long axis of the laser cutting machine determines the maximum cutting length. Common specifications include 6M, 9M, 12M, etc. The tube laser cutting machine's chuck is hollow, and the tube can only be processed if it passes through the hollow chuck. Therefore, the size of the inner diameter of the chuck determines the size of the outer diameter of the tube that can be cut. Common specifications of the chuck include 110 mm, 220 mm, 360 mm, 500 mm, etc. We also know that the laser tube cutting machine cuts the tube by clamping it with the front and middle clamps, and at the same time uses a support frame to assist in lifting the tube to ensure cutting accuracy. Therefore, the clamping force of the chuck and the lifting force of the support frame determine the weight of the tube that can be cut. Penta Laser Whirl 12050BV tube laser cutting machine can cut a single 12M tube weighting up to 2.5 ton. The cutting thickness of the tube laser cutting machine is affected by the power of the laser, but it is also limited by the size of the tube diameter. Especially for the cutting of small diameter and thick tubes, it is necessary to consider the problem of front cutting and back welding at the same time. The above conditions are mutually constrained and must be met at the same time for normal processing. Before purchasing the equipment, customers should try to provide detailed drawings to communicate with the equipment supplier and avoid many problems after purchasing the equipment. Follow Penta.